How to install app without Apple ID password. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you are in here, once you are in the settings, scroll down and head over to App Store. You need to make sure that all of these options are turned on. Now go back and head over to Screen Time. Scroll down and move into Content and Privacy Restrictions. In here, head over to iTunes and App Store Purchases. Right now you can see that the password is set to Always Require. In order to remove the password while installing, you have to set the settings to Don't Require. Now you have to enter the Screen Time passcode. Once it has been done, now whenever you move into App Store and search for any of the application that you want to download, you don't have to enter any of the password of your Apple ID. You will be able to download it without entering the password, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can install app without the Apple ID password. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.